My name's Henry South. I studied at Plymouth College of Art and I'm currently a texture artist at Industrial Light and Magic. I work in the model shop at ILM as a digital model artist, making the digital characters and monsters and stuff like that. I worked on Gravity, Star Wars, Watchmen, Endgame and Jurassic Park. You're working in sheds, essentially, like 15 people all working on a single project. Really, it's only after the project's finished that you realise that, millions of people are going to see this. Millions of people are going to see your work. Plymouth was and is quite an interesting artistic scene. I wanted to study by the sea. My goal at that point was graphic design and fine art. Really, the 3D thing happened by accident, and purely because of the amount of things that I was studying in the multimedia course meant that I could just experiment. I did a lot of different things in the college, from glass blowing to silicon moulding and sculpture, digital media. I just sort of dipped my finger into as many different mediums as I could. I think I was just trying to find what I wanted to do. If you're willing to work very, very, very hard, then you'll be a very, very good artist. If you think that you're not good enough because you weren't born with artistic talent, then that's just a story you're telling yourself.